Today, I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted channel in Microsoft Teams. If you've accidentally deleted a channel or need to bring back an archive conversation, this process will help you recover it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have the necessary permissions to manage team channels. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with various options on the left side of your screen. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Teams. This will display all the teams you're currently a part of or manage. It's important to access this section because it's where you'll find the management tools needed to restore deleted channels. Now, find the specific team where you want to restore the deleted channel. Teams can have multiple channels for different purposes, so make sure you're selecting the right team. Once you've located it, click on the 3 dots beside the team name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Manage Team. This option takes you to the team's settings page where you have more control over various aspects of the team, including member management, settings, and channel recovery. This is the hub for all administrative tasks related to this particular team. On the top of the page, make sure you are on the Channel tab. This tab displays all the active channels within your team and provides access to additional channel management features. If you're on a different tab like Members or Settings, simply click on Channel to switch over. Next, click on For More and then click on Deleted. This option reveals channels that have been removed from your team but are still recoverable. Microsoft Teams keeps deleted channels for a certain period before permanently removing them, giving you a window to restore them if needed. Find the channel you want to restore in the list of deleted channels. Once you've located it, click Restore beside the channel name. This action initiates the restoration process and prepares the channel to be brought back into your active channels list. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to confirm the restoration. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental restorations. Click Restore to confirm your decision. The channel will then be restored to your team with all its previous messages, files, and settings intact. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted channel in Microsoft Teams. The channel should now appear in your active channels list, and all team members will be able to access it again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.